So we had the wood stove going. I finished up the insulation, and now I'm gonna work and finish up some cedar board to install on my framing, and right there and between there. So because that pile is wet as hell and needs to be drying out, and it's crazy the humidity that's in here. Alright, so I piled up a bit more, took some of the pile out, 'cause it's still wet as hell. You can see it, and this morning it was at 90%. Windows and doors are, it's like if it's raining in here. So I got the wood stove going every day. Now this is a problem, because now the snow is going higher and it's going right on here. So next year in spring, when everything's gonna be melted and everything, I'll take some of the gravel out, and I'll scrape a bit of foam and do some parging on the foam, and I think this will help greatly, and I'll be able to seal more at the bottom, because that wasn't smart from my part. Mistake that I've learned, right? So it's an evening, and me and Buddy are putting a new seal on the door for the stove.
Hello.
Hey. And off we go for tonight, and it'll dry out for the evening nice and tight, and tomorrow we'll be able to heat it up again. It's a bit screwed here, but there's no gap. Yeah. So, and we'll close it down, and off we go. Hopefully it's nice and tight. That is tight. See, tight. Oh wait. No, man. We're out of here. We are December 16th, and today it's a warm day. It's beautiful outside. It's incredible. I'll show you, it's melting. It's dripping big time, and sun is out. Yeah, love this weather. Wonderful. I'm trying to silicone. So not silicone, but it's caulk all my joints, and it's incredible. I should have went with another product, but I really wanted to seal this up, and the only thing that came in my mind was caulking. Big mistake that I've done is I've backfilled too much around the cabin, and I thought I was gonna be able to leave it like that, but no. And what I've done is cut an inch and a half, 2 inch of my foam, and what I've put is some seal it, I think, or anyway, it's like a rubberized thing, but it was eating up the foam, so I couldn't use that. So next, maybe I've already mentioned that, but I'll take it all the gravel out. I'll lower it up. I'll parge the foam. It's the last wall to silicone, to caulk, I mean joints. After this, it's over. 60 tubes of caulking just to seal everything. What's more likely, it's very important, I'd say. Well, just got back to the cabin. It's been a few days. As maybe you can hear it in my voice. I knew from a few days ago that I wouldn't be here for a few days. That's for sure. I don't know. Okay, part of Canada, flu season, and I guess I caught the flu. So I was like, I need to go back to the cabin, and I know I'm not gonna do any fire in that wood stove for at least 2-3 days. I was aware of. So I came back and I opened the windows, and fair enough, there was no water anywhere. It's drying up. It's freaking cold in here, that's for sure. But humidity is fairly good. No water anywhere. What I'm doing here right now is I'll be burning a fair amount of Kleenex, that's for sure. Because the only thing left to do now is like we did most of the. My dad came here and he was helping me out a few days in the afternoon. So now I got the ceiling with the board, and it's looking really good. Like, I can't argue with it. So the only part left is right here. I only have two sections, just the lower section. I knew my contractor would understand me, that's for sure, right? Like, he's a decent guy and open heart. And I understand that when you can't go to work, if you're useless, then he understands. Say what? You're sick?
Useless guys!
Oh. Hey, Carl. Oh, hey, you all right, man?
Here, let me help you out. If you want to, maybe you can take those days off if you want. You don't look good.
So fair enough. You let me go, right? Since then, I'm resting a bit. I knew probably I would have put myself in that position by doing all those hours to get the cabin done. Flu season arrived, and it's like slap in the face. Well, this stupid fire doesn't want to go on. I guess I better head home. Ready to go?
Get up, then we'll go.
We'll let him sleep.